Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have a bowl of chicken salad. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share the video. We are going to make use of chicken thigh, that is 2. We are going to also use ACV, lemon, spring onions, red onions, tomato 1, bell pepper, that is red and green bell pepper, cabbage and cucumber, some lettuce also, onions, ginger, garlic to steam the chicken, my homemade mayonnaise, 2 boiled eggs, some chili pepper and also salt, mixed spices and natural spices as well. And so what you're going to do is I'm going to take the seeds from the bell pepper and add it to my ginger, garlic and onions, and then blend them all together. I'll also add my natural mixed spices together, that is rosemary and any other natural spices that you prefer you can use. And I'm also going to add the red chili pepper to it. I'm using chili pepper because I want some hotness in my chicken. I want a bit of heat in it, so I'm going to add that to it and blend everything together. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. So we are adding our mixture, blended mixture to the chicken, and I'm going to add my seasoning to it. I'll also give it a bit of salt, and I will add water to it, and then let it cook on fire. I'm going to cook this 100% very soft because I'm not going to grill, I'm not going to fry. You can decide to fry it, you can decide to grill and use it. You can decide to bake it and then use it for your chicken salad. I just want to boil it, so that's what I'm going to do. So while it's on fire, I'm going to work on my veggies, and I'm starting with the lettuce. I'm going to take the hard part from it, and then I'll just use the leaves itself, slice them into the shapes or the sizes that I want. Okay, then what I'm going to do is all my veggies, I'm going to put them into my salad spinner and wash them in it and also spin and get it dry. So that is what I'm doing. And so I'm also going to work on my cabbage as well. I don't really have a specific shape. I'm just cutting them into any shape that I want. You can slice them very tiny, you can slice them chunks form or any form that you want. So this is what I chose to do. Okay, and so the next thing is also to work on the other vegetables such as the spring onions and my onions, my cucumber, and every vegetable that I'm going to use in this recipe. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. If you have subscribed too, I say thank you, God bless you, and do well to share this video, leave a comment and like it. Thanks for your support, and I say God richly bless you. Okay, so we are working on our cucumbers now, and I just used half of the cucumber. Yes, and I'm cutting them into some cube forms, so you can also do the same or choose any style that you want. Okay, and I'm slicing my spring onions also. Then after, I'm going to add water to the vegetables in the salad spinner. But before the water, I'm going to work on my onions, and I'm also going to cut them into square form. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I used medium size, 2 medium size of onions. Yes, you know, on keto diet we don't take in a lot of onions, so just a little is okay. And this salad, I'm not going to eat it all by myself, so the quantities are okay. Okay, so I'm just trying to separate them very well. Then I'll add everything to my salad spinner. Then I'm going to add water to it, and I'll also add some apple cider vinegar. That is just the lid of it. Spin it, wash it very well, and then drain the water away. And then I'm going to get it dry, get my salad very dry. I don't want any water or excess water in it, so that is it. They are very very dry as I want it. And so when you check the bowl, that is the excess water, and I'm going to discard it. Okay, so I'm pouring everything into my salad bowl now. Yes, and what I'm going to do now is to also slice my bell peppers and add them to it. That's what I'm going to do. You know, as for bell peppers, it's easy to get the water out. Unlike the other veggies, contain some moisture and also retain some moisture, something like cabbage. And so bell pepper is easy to get the water out. So even if I don't put it in the salad spinner to drain the water, it's still okay. If you really want to lose weight on keto, then you have to be consistent with it. You have to be consistent with it. You cannot do keto today and tomorrow you go back eating your carbs. No, you have to, at least for the first 3 months, be consistent before you cheat. I need to be sincere. We all do cheat once a while, but hey, don't cheat forever. Okay, so we are checking on our chicken, and for us at this time, it is well cooked. It is cooked. In fact, I have really cooked this chicken. So I'm taking it out, and I'm going to take the skin off it. Yes, and I'm going to shred it, shred the chicken very well, get it off the bone, everything off, and then I'll use it for my salad. Yes, so that is it. I'm taking the skin off it, and I'm not going to throw the skin away. As for keto chicken, you don't throw any part away. Any part or every part is necessary for keto. Yes. As I'm going to shred my chicken into pieces. Yes, trying to get all the meat from the bone. Some of us keto without adding exercise. Fine, you will still lose weight, but you know you need to firm your muscles too. So try and add exercise to it. And also drink your flat tummy water. So we are done shredding our chicken. Yes. And what I'm going to do is the chicken stock, I just took a little, I'm adding it to my salad. Yes. Now mix everything together very very well. Yes. Okay. You know, when I was chopping the vegetables, I didn't chop the tomato, and so I'm going to at this time chop the tomato and then add it to it. So I just added my chicken, shredded chicken, to it. I'm mixing everything together, and I will add a little bit of salt to it. If you use the chicken stock and your chicken stock is salty, then don't add salt to it. Okay. And so just a little bit of salt, and I'm going to slice my tomatoes and add it to my salad. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, and so check the description box for a link to how to prepare flat tummy water. Very necessary. Drink them morning, evening. You can drink it morning, afternoon, evening. A cup a day. In the morning, warm it and add your ACV to it. So now I'm going to prepare my homemade Jacob mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is homemade. Check the description box for a link to how to make your own mayonnaise. So I added 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and lemon to it, and I'm going to mix everything together to blend very well. Then I'm going to add it to my salad. And so after this, I'm going to mix everything together, and our chicken salad will almost all be ready, almost ready. Okay, so this is it. I mean, try making your own mayonnaise and you are going to love it. So check the description box for a link to that. We are going to also chop our eggs. or slice our eggs. I don't know the English word to use. Okay, and then we're going to add it to our salad and enjoy it. You can enjoy this with any tea of your choice. You can also enjoy it with a glass of your flour tummy water. Just add a bit of sweetener to it, and it will be a whole new drink for you to enjoy this with. Yes, so we are adding it all together. We are mixing. We are almost done with our chicken salad. Yes, this is it. If you don't have mayonnaise, you can use olive oil to dress it. And so this is our chicken salad, and this tastes so great. I really enjoyed this, not alone with my family. Everybody enjoyed it, and I like the way it looks. Give it a try and you are going to love this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like and share the video, and watch out for another recipe. Bye bye. Let me share the way I'm